Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy you are here with us today. I am Anna. Today is a very special day because we are going to a beautiful place.
Hello, Anna. Hello, friends. I am Tom. I'm very happy and excited today. The sun is shining and I feel great. Today, we are talking about a wonderful activity. We are talking about camping in the mountains.
Yes, Tom, camping is so much fun. I love the mountains. I love the green trees and the blue sky. How do you feel when you are in nature, Tom?
I feel very calm, Anna. I feel relaxed. The air in the mountains is very fresh. It is different from the air in the city. The city is noisy and busy. The mountain is quiet and peaceful.
That is true. Before we start our mountain adventure, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you like learning English with us, click the subscribe button. It helps us a lot.
And give this video a like. Your likes make us happy. Also, tell us in the comments, do you like camping? Do you like the mountains or the beach? We want to read your comments.
Okay, Tom, let's start. Imagine we are arriving at the mountain. We have our big backpacks. My backpack is heavy, but I am happy. The air is so cool and fresh. I take a deep breath. Can you feel the fresh air, Tom?
Yes, Anna. I can smell the pine trees. I can smell the earth. It is a very natural smell. It is the smell of freedom. Look at those tall trees. They are so big and green.
They are beautiful. Now we need to find a good place. We need a flat place for our tent. A tent is our small house for the night. Do you like sleeping in a tent, Tom?
I love it, Anna. It is like an adventure. But first, we must build the tent. We have the poles and the cover. It is like a puzzle. We need to work together.
Teamwork is important. I hold the poles and you pull the cover. Look, our tent is ready. It is a small blue tent. It looks very cozy. A cozy place is a place that feels warm and nice.
It is very cozy. Now we put our sleeping bags inside. A sleeping bag is like a warm blanket for camping. It keeps us warm at night because the mountains can be very cold.
You are right, Tom. Even if the day is warm, the night in the mountain is often cold. We need to be prepared. We have our boots, our jackets, and our hats.
Now that our camp is ready, let's walk. Let's explore the forest. I want to see the animals. Maybe we can see a bird or a rabbit?
Listen, Tom, be very quiet. What do you hear? I hear the wind and the trees. It sounds like shh. It is very relaxing.
I hear a river. There's water nearby. The sound of water is very beautiful. It is moving fast over the rocks. The water is very clear and very cold.
Nature is amazing. We are far from the cars. We are far from the internet. We are just here with the trees and the birds. I feel very small in this big mountain.
Me too, Hannah. But I feel happy. It is good to move our bodies. Walking in the mountain is good exercise. My legs feel strong.
My legs are a little tired, but I am okay. Look at that flower. It is bright yellow. There are many colors in the forest. Green, brown, yellow, and blue.
It is like a painting. Now the sun is going down. The sky is turning orange and pink. It is almost time for dinner. We need to make a fire.
A campfire. That is my favorite part. We need small sticks and big pieces of wood. We have to be very careful with fire in the forest. Safety is always first.
Yes, safety is very important. I have the wood. Now we have a small fire. The fire is warm. The light of the fire is very pretty in the dark.
It is lovely. What are we eating for dinner, Tom? I am very hungry. Walking made me want to eat a lot of food.
We have simple food. We have bread, cheese, and some fruit. Food always tastes better in the mountains. Maybe we can cook a sausage over the fire.
That sounds delicious. I love the smell of the smoke. It smells like a real camping trip. We are sitting on the ground, eating and talking. This is a good life.
It is a very good life. Look up, Anna. Look at the sky. There are millions of stars. In the city, we cannot see the stars because of the lights. But here, the sky is full of white dots.
Wow, it is incredible. I can see the moon too. The moon is big and white. It is so bright. We don't need a flashlight now.
The stars are like diamonds. I feel very peaceful looking at the stars. It makes me think about many things. It's a good moment to be silent and just look.
I agree. But now I am feeling a little sleepy. The fresh air makes me tired. I think it is time to go inside our blue tent.
Yes, let's go. We crawl into our sleeping bags. They are very soft. I close my eyes. I hear an owl. Hoo, hoo. The forest is not completely silent.
The owl is the king of the night. I like the sound. It helps me sleep. Good night, Tom. Good night, mountains.
Good night, Anna. Sleep well. Tomorrow is a new day in nature.
Good morning, Tom. Wake up. Look outside the tent. The sun is coming up over the mountain.
Oh, good morning, Anna. I slept very well. The air is very cold this morning. I can see my breath. It looks like small clouds.
Yes, it is very chilly. Chilly means a little bit cold. We need our jackets. Let's make some hot coffee. Hot coffee in the morning is the best thing.
I agree 100%. The water is boiling on our small stove. The smell of coffee is mixing with the smell of the pine trees. This is a perfect morning.
We can sit here and watch the birds. They are very busy this morning. They are looking for food. Everything in nature is waking up.
It is a beautiful cycle. I don't want to leave. I want to stay here in the mountains forever. No phones, no stress, just peace.
I know, Tom, but we have to go back soon. But we can take this feeling with us. We can remember the fresh air and the stars when we are in the city.
That's a good idea. We can always come back. The mountains are always here waiting for us.
Friends, we hope you enjoyed our camping trip. It was a very happy time for us. Remember to practice these words: mountain, tent, campfire, stars, and fresh air.
Practice every day. You can describe your favorite place in nature. Use simple words. Use I like or I see.
Thank you for watching Mr. Fluent English Channel. We love having you here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next adventure.
Bye-bye, everyone. Have a wonderful and fresh day.